Have you ever opened your Android phone and realized the Google Play Store is missing? No Play Store means no easy way to download apps like YouTube, Gmail, WhatsApp, or Chrome. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to safely get the Google Play Store on your Android device in just a few minutes. First, let's make sure the Play Store isn't simply disabled. Open Settings. Go to Apps or Apps Management. Scroll down and look for Google Play Store, Google Play Services, or simply search for Play Store. If you see a button that says Enable, tap it. Now go back to your home screen and check if the Play Store appears. If it's still missing, move to the next step. If it is disabled, we need to install the Play Store manually. Open your browser and search for Google Play Store APK. Download the latest version from a trusted APK website. Also download Google Play Services, Google Services Framework. These are required for the Play Store to work properly. Once you install them, the Play Store will be available with your other apps. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.